I've been able to pick up a few things that I've had my eye on for a long time from the spring summer luxury sales, and I'm really excited to share this with you guys actually, because I think I love pretty much everything that I picked up, which is very unusual for me. So I think we're going to start with the bag, which of course is my favorite thing. Short story is that I had my eye on the Jacquemus beach bag that had the tassels on it. It was quite small. It went through a period where it was really popular. I think maybe last summer or the summer before, and I kept going back and forth about it. Did I want it? Didn't I want it? And I ended up not picking it up, and not necessarily regretting it, but I decided to not pick it up before it became really popular. And then when I started seeing it everywhere, I felt a bit like I missed out. I felt a bit of FOMO, I did, but I didn't feel enough FOMO to like try and find it on the resale market or anything like that. So I gave up that hope, and then I was looking through the sales, and I really am in need of a beach bag, as in a Raffia tote bag. I have a small one, and I have beach bags that are colourful or made of cloth, but I don't have a Raffia one. So when I saw this bag and I saw the price, I was like, stars have aligned, of course, as always. So it's definitely meant for me. So I picked up this Jacquemus bag. It comes in a dust bag, and it came wrapped up in this plastic bag as well. I will link everything down below, but I'll also include what this is called and how much I got it for. But this is what it looked like, and it was a blind buy. I should shut up. No, let me shut up. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. And guys, I always suggest for you guys to be apprehensive about taking advice from people online, strangers online, right? But trust me when I tell you that this bag is so cute. It exceeded all of my expectations. It was a blind buy. I've never seen this bag in person. I actually have never seen this bag. Like, I enjoy Jacquemus bags, and it's not a bag that I've seen ever until I purchased it. And that might be because I haven't really been looking at summer bags. But I saw this beautiful tote bag. It is so adorable. It's like a little baby. I love it. It is so cute. So when it came, all of the raffia tassel-y bits were quite mushed up, so I had to kind of like pull them down, and I wasn't 100% sure of the size. Of course, all of those details are included on the website, but I'm just really bad at measurements. I'm really bad at imagining distances and measurements. So I thought that it might be a bit bigger, but it's absolutely fine that it's not, because I actually like this size. It looks a bit bigger because of the tasseling, but in fact it is, I would say it's like a medium size, if you guys can see, which I think is a really nice size for me. Like, it's big enough for me to fit in a small towel and all of my essentials. And it comes with longer brown leather straps, which are quite thin. I'm not sure that I'd be using them, but top handle, it's, oh, come on, it looks so cute. And I think I'm going to Las Vegas in the next few weeks, so this is what I had in mind. You guys do stay tuned for, I think I'm going to do a what I wore in Vegas video. I think that would be really nice for you guys. So I have a few day parties I want to go to, and I just imagine myself on my day bed with my little bag. I think it's just so cute. So let me tell you where I picked this up from, because it wasn't easy to find. This bag also came in another color, which I'll show to you guys, but I wanted to make sure that there was no other deal that was better than this deal. I have done my research, right? There's no way that I pick up anything without making sure it's the best deal. This bag is called the Jacquemus Panier Soli Fringe Raffia basket bag, and I picked it up from Satire, and I got it for $2.59. So yeah, I think maybe I got like 40% off, which I'm very happy with. You can see here. I actually, now I'm looking at all the prices, I'm really not sure how I managed to get it for that cheap. But I did. I'll put in a link, the link that I used. Especially with Jacquemus, guys, it's definitely worth doing your research, looking around, because on third-party sites, they're often different styles and colors are often on sale. Let me know what you guys think of it down in the comments. I mentioned in an accessories video that I lost the sound for, so you guys probably won't see that video, but I mentioned that I want to try and invest in a few better quality sunglasses. I generally don't tend to buy luxury sunglasses just because I always lose them. Like, I'm really bad with keeping track of things, and so it hurts my soul when I lose things that I love or things that cost a bit of money, of course. So I want to try and do better. So I thought a first nice natural step would be to invest in a pair of sunglasses that are on sale. So I picked up these sunglasses from Farfetch. I'll include some close-ups. They're actually Balenciagas, and I took them out of the box to try them on, but they come in this pack. They come all wrapped up very nicely with a tag and a white. So these are what they look like. So I really wanted to pick up a pair of sunglasses, at least in the first instance, in more classic shapes that I can reach for often, so I can get my cost per wear out of them. I did pick up a few coloured sunglasses from the Simon Miller and Mango collab. So I've kind of got my statement sunglasses kind of down. I don't think I need many more of those, so I wanted to get a few classic styles. So I do love a cat eye. I would class this as a cat eye. So I saw this one and I thought that I should try it out. It is pretty subtle, which I prefer actually in sunglasses. I don't really tend to like lots of embellishments and stuff on my sunglasses. I picked it up from Farfetch and they were originally, I think I got like 60% off. It was a really good deal because I was going back and forth about whether I should pick up these or some Tom Fords that I liked as well. But this one I think was quite a good deal. Yeah, so these are called the cat eye frame sunglasses, and I picked them up for $1.90 and then I had to pay a bit extra for shipping, which I think is pretty good. Guys, I've been working out. Can you tell? I'm seeing a little bit of definition here. I love that for me. I've been really, I've got like £20, £30 that I really want to just get rid of, and I have been fighting. Really just wanting one so I can move on. As with everything else, I did my research about these and this was the best price for me. I am not US based though, so when I work out what is a good deal, oftentimes I include shipping. So if for you guys who are based in the US, you might want to just double check just to make sure that there's nothing else that includes shipping in US territories that makes it a bit less expensive. But I will put links to everything down in the description. This is what they look like on. When I tried them on, my husband was just a bit like, yeah, they just look like they look like the sunglasses that you usually buy. I've kept this on because I keep going back and forth. After he said that to me, I was like, oh yeah, it does kind of look like a pair of sunglasses that I already have. But I feel like that's the point. I kind of wanted something that looked normal, as in looked normal for what I usually like. So I'm hoping I might just take it off. So I think they're cute. They do have, I think they've got a Balenciaga here somewhere. And when you put your head down, you can see it here. So all the branding's pretty subtle, but I think I prefer that. I like that. These I think I love, and I would definitely recommend checking out the sale for some sunglasses. So next I have a top. And so if you guys have watched my wish list for this year, this top's actually on my wish list, so I'm super excited to have it in my possession. And it is a Jean Paul Gaultier top, and I'm sure you guys have seen it, I'm sure, with the spots on it. I wanted the brown one because I felt like it would look really nice on my skin. I felt like it could be quite versatile. However, at the time I said that, I hadn't seen the color that I have, which is like a black, gray, white color. And so when I saw it, I thought, wouldn't that be so versatile? It is in a mesh and it doesn't have the zip. I think I mentioned that I wanted the one with the zip just because sometimes I can get a bit claustrophobic up here. But when I noted that it was mesh, I felt like maybe I wouldn't mind it being up at the neck so much. So I picked up this color and it's really stretchy and you can't really tell that it is mesh. But it is really mesh. It's like mesh. It's very opaque. Is opaque the right word? As in you can see through it, but because of the pattern all over it, it's a bit hard to tell. But guys, I love this top. I'm so happy that I was able to pick it up. They did, when I was looking, they did have like a brown, not a brown, a purple and blue top that was slightly cheaper than this one. But I just felt as though it wouldn't be as versatile for me. I've got so many ways in my mind that I can wear this top. Adorable. And I picked this up from SSENSE, I believe. I'm feeling very chatty today, guys, because I haven't spoken to you guys in such a long time. I should actually do a life update. I'm going back to work now. The boys are 1. It's time to get back to work. So I've been trying to sort that out. So thank you so much to you guys who have been watching my shorts and rewatching some of my older videos. I really appreciate you guys for sticking around. So I picked it up from SSENSE and I got it for 230 UK pounds, and it was a very good deal, guys. Have a look at the links in the description. I will link it. This top generally on sale retails for around £200. I think is a good deal for this top, but I really like it. I think it is very cute. So next I have another accessory, and I wanted a bucket hat, and I've been going back and forth about, there's this really nice Loewe bucket hat that I want. But sorry, I'm just getting my coffee. My original hope was that I would have been able to get that Loewe hat on sale, just because for me it's too much. I don't think I'm going to get enough use out of it, just because I usually have a bun, and when I have my buns I don't usually wear hats. So it's only really going to be a hat that I'm going to wear during the summer months when I have braids. So I wanted to get more of an affordable-ish, more of an affordable bucket hat that was cute. So I picked up this navy blue Jacquemus bucket hat, and it looks like this. I actually haven't tried it on yet, because every time I go to try it on, my hair is not in the right position. So I'm going to try it on now. I'm not sure what's the front or what's the back. Oh no, is it too small? It might be okay actually. So this is what it looks like. It is hovering a bit, but that's because I've got my bun at the back. But this is what it looks like. I'll show it to you on the model as well. It's got a strap at the back. I didn't want black because I feel like black can look a bit harsh in the summer sometimes. So I felt as though the navy would be a nice, softer colour for the summer, but also a colour that would be easy to match. Again, a Jacquemus bucket hat is something every summer I go back and forth about. Should I get it? Shouldn't I get it? Should I get it? Shouldn't I get it? So when I found it in the blue, I felt as though I might as well get it. And I picked this hat up from Loewe Via Roma. If you guys are not signed up to Loewe Via Roma, then I would definitely recommend it, because they have flash sales, and the flash sales are usually on the sale, so you get extra money off sale items. And that is how I picked up this one. I'm not sponsored and nobody's paid me to say this. It just is an app that I frequent often. I always have things in my bag. When I get notified, in my basket, when I get notified of the flash sales, then I will try and apply the flash sale to what's already in my basket. So I picked up this hat for £61, and it was 30% off, and I got an extra 20% off. So it originally retailed for 110, and I picked it up in a navy, and I think it's cute. I'm getting my braids done soon, so I'll try it on with my braids and hopefully it will be fine. I'm not really sure what this thing at the back is for, other than fashion, but it's cute. So next, if you guys have watched my Zara haul, my most recent Zara haul, then I included a skirt in that haul that I wanted to keep, but it was too short, and it had two-tone denim. And I mentioned that I had my eye on a Loewe jacket that I wanted that was two-toned. I think Loewe also has the jeans that have the same, you know, like it looks like you've got jeans on jeans, which I also like, but because I'm so tall, I can't really consider the jeans because they will be too short. So I had my eye on the jacket, and I found it in the sale on Loewe Via Roma. Now this is a jacket that I've been going back and forth with constantly, because it doesn't seem to be available in many places. So whenever I find it, I'm always like, oh, maybe I should just buy it before I can't find it again. Before I did my Mugler haul and I got the Mugler denim jacket, this Loewe jacket was the one that was going to be my jean jacket purchase. I just wasn't sure about the length of it. I wanted a denim jacket that was cropped. I found it on Loewe Via Roma in the sale, and then I got a flash sale offer of that 20%. So it originally retails, this is the jacket, sorry, I haven't even shown you. This is the jacket. I've already tried it on, and it has a darker denim at the sleeves and then the lighter denim there, and it originally retails on Loewe Via Roma for £894, but I got 30% off and then I got an extra 20% off, so it went down to 500. It's cute, guys, it's cute, but the dilemma I'm in now is that I now have the Mugler one and now I have this one too, and I'm kind of going back and forth about whether I need to. To be fair, although I have had plans on being out a lot this spring and summer, it hasn't really turned out that way. I've spent a lot of time in the gym and at home. It's just more like, do I really need to? Is this overkill? Picked it up in a size 40. I think that was the last size they had left at the time I ordered it. It has silver detailing on it, and it is pretty cropped on me. It has a Loewe sign on the back here, and the sleeve length on it is really, really nice. It feels like a nice quality of denim, and it would be my first Loewe purchase. I don't actually have anything else from Loewe. I am thinking of picking up a jigsaw bag, but I'm a puzzle bag, but I'm not sure about that either. So let me know if you guys have been shopping the luxury sales. Is there anything you picked up? What was your favorite piece from this haul? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.